Did you know that better security means more trust for your customers? ACTi's revolutionary Q550 is here to set new standards for banking security. With innovative features and unbeatable value, this is the solution you've been waiting for to safeguard your bank and gain peace of mind. In banking, every angle matters. The Q550's 8MP multi-imager provides a 180-degree panoramic view, perfect for monitoring ATM areas, lobbies, and parking lots. With its wide coverage and crystal-clear image quality, nothing is left unseen. Replace multiple cameras with a single, efficient solution that delivers operational ease and cost savings, ensuring no blind spots in your bank's critical areas. Nighttime risks are no longer a problem. The Q550 offers full-color imaging 24/7 with white light LED and infrared support. Its 130 dB extreme WDR ensures clear visibility even in high-contrast lighting situations. Whether it's monitoring the vault's perimeter or ensuring safety in the parking area after hours, the Q550 delivers unparalleled clarity to keep your bank secure around the clock. Smart security starts with intelligent analytics. The Q550's AI features include people and vehicle detection, sound detection, and crowd density analytics. It filters out false alarms caused by light changes or environmental factors, focusing on genuine threats. In areas like customer waiting zones and security control rooms, its metadata and reporting capabilities help improve decision-making and enhance security measures. Security isn't just about monitoring, it's about taking action. The Q550 features active deterrence with white light LED, red and blue flashing lights, and a powerful 3W speaker. When intrusions are detected in high-risk areas like ATM zones or vault entrances, it triggers immediate visual and audible warnings. This proactive approach minimizes risks and ensures threats are addressed before they escalate. Banks require robust security systems, and the Q550 delivers. With flexible DIO and audio input-output capabilities, it integrates seamlessly with existing setups. Its IP67 weatherproofing and IK10 vandal resistance ensure durability in outdoor and high-risk environments. From safeguarding ATMs to monitoring critical access points, the Q550 is a reliable, all-weather solution tailored for the banking sector. Why ACTi? Because it delivers more for less. Compared to competitors like Axis, the Q550 offers advanced AI, full-color imaging, and active deterrence at half the cost. For a high-security environment like a bank, this is the smartest choice. By investing in the Q550, you're not just upgrading your security, you're enhancing trust and operational efficiency. Secure your bank's future today. Visit ACTi's website to learn more about the Q550 and how it can redefine your security strategy. Don't miss this chance to enhance safety, improve efficiency, and save costs. Click the link below and make the switch to smarter security now.